Welcome to our lecture online. In this example, we're trying to find the dot product. The problem is given as follows. We have two vectors, vector A and vector B. The magnitude of A is equal to 20. The magnitude of B is equal to 15. Notice that A is directed along the x-axis and B is directed at an angle of 37 degrees above the x-axis, and we're assuming it's above the positive x-axis. So how do we find the dot product? Well, the first thing you want to do is draw the two vectors on the xy plane. So let's go ahead and do that. So the first vector, and let's use a different color. Let's see if our blue pen works here. Vector A, 20 units directed along the x-axis. So let's draw vector A right here. And it has a magnitude of 20. And now we have a second vector, vector B. It's a little shorter and is directed at an angle of 37 degrees. So here would be vector B, and it has a magnitude of 15, and the angle theta is equal to 37 degrees. All right, so how do we find the dot product? Well, by definition, the dot product is A dot B, which is equal to, we have the magnitude of A times the magnitude of B times the cosine of the angle between them. Now we have another equation for the dot product of A and B. We could also write it as follows. A dot B is equal to the product of the component of A in the x direction times the component of B in the x direction plus AY BY plus AZ BZ. Now in this particular case, we're only dealing with the xy plane, so we don't need that third term, but we could also find the dot product like that. But in order to find the dot product, we would need to know the x components of A and B and the y components of A and B. And since we don't know those, that would be the best way to go about it. And since they've already given us the magnitude of the two vectors and we know the angle between them, it would be a lot easier to use this approach. So the magnitude of A is 20, the magnitude of B is 15, and we take the cosine of the angle 37 degrees. So this is equal to 300 multiplied times the cosine of 37 is about 0.8. So when we multiply, we get 240, which is the result of multiplying A and B via the dot product. Remember that when you take the dot product of two vectors, you end up with a scalar quantity without a direction. So that is how we take the dot product between these two vectors.